Hello, welcome to our third session, where we deep dive into the most important skill: how to unlock your potential, speak boldly, connect deeply, inspire change. Ultimately, the best communicator wins. Golden rule of communication: eliminate all distracting behaviors from your speech. A comprehensive roadmap builds to become a powerful communicator. Communication: are you harnessing your full potential? Your first impression is your last impression. Mastering communication: unlock your hidden potential. Speak boldly, connect deeply, inspire change. Please look at our previous sessions on self-introduction and awareness session. In today's session, we will be covering the most important aspects of communications. Every Saturday, we go live with our sessions to help you improve your communication skills. Moving on to awareness of soft skills frameworks. First up, the PREP framework. It stands for point, reason, example, point. Use it to deliver clear, concise, and persuasive messages. Second, we have the 3-to-1 framework for conversations. Choose one of these, outline 3 steps, compare 2 types, or state 1 key takeaway. It's perfect for on-the-spot ideas. Third, the PARA method for concise sharing. This method ensures you keep your message focused by sharing only the essentials. The 5 vocal foundations, CLAPS. This stands for clarity, loudness, apply emotion, pauses, and speed. Master these elements to deliver engaging and powerful speech. Next, we have the 88 keys principle. Imagine your voice as a piano with 88 keys. This metaphor reminds you to unlock your full vocal range, making your delivery more dynamic and expressive. We'll break down each framework with detailed examples. The PREP framework provides a structured way to articulate your thoughts clearly. You start by stating your main point, back it up with a reason, illustrate with an example, and then reinforce your point by repeating it. First, start with a clear point. That means begin with a concise statement of your main idea. Next, add a supporting reason. Explain why that idea matters. Then, provide an illustrative example, give a specific instance or evidence to back up your point. Finally, wrap it up by repeating your main point to reinforce your message. In a meeting, if asked why a new strategy should be adopted, you might say, "We need to adopt this strategy because it will increase our market reach. This is important because a broader market presence will boost our sales." For example, a similar approach increased revenue by 30% at a comparable company last year. Therefore, adopting this strategy is crucial. The GROW model, goal-focused personal development. The 3-to-1 framework helps you quickly structure your thoughts in conversations by choosing one of 3 approaches, outlining 3 steps, comparing 2 types, or emphasizing 1 key takeaway. Key points. 3 steps, outline a process or sequence in 3 distinct stages. 2 types, contrast to different approaches or categories. 1 key thing, highlight a single, most important point. Example. When discussing how to improve team collaboration, you could say, there are 3 steps to enhance collaboration. First, clarify roles. Second, improve communication. And third, set common goals. Alternatively, you might consider the 2 types of collaboration, formal and informal. However, the 1 key thing that matters most is building trust. The PARA method is designed to keep your communication focused. It helps you share information succinctly by reminding you to stick to your purpose, align your message to the audience, and include only the most relevant details. Key points. Purpose, clearly define why you are sharing the information. Alignment, tailor your message to meet the needs of your audience. Relevance, keep your content concise by focusing on the essential details. Example. During a project update, instead of delving into every detail, you might say, the purpose of this update is to inform you of our progress. Our efforts are aligned with our strategic goals. The key takeaway is that we are ahead of schedule and ready for the next phase. 5 vocal foundations, CLAPS. The CLAPS framework focuses on enhancing your vocal delivery, ensuring that your message is engaging and easy to understand. It covers clarity, volume, emotion, pauses, and speed. Key points. Clarity, speak clearly with proper enunciation. Loudness and emotion, use appropriate volume and inject emotion to capture interest. Pauses and speed, employ strategic pauses and control your pace to enhance comprehension. Example. In a keynote speech, you might practice by saying, I will deliver my message with clear articulation so everyone understands. I will vary my volume and express genuine emotion when sharing key stories. I'll pause after major points and maintain a steady pace to let the audience absorb the information. The 88 Keys Principle. Explanation. The 88 Keys Principle is a metaphor for using the full range of your vocal abilities. Just as a piano has 88 keys, your voice has a wide range of tones and emotions waiting to be used. This approach encourages dynamic and varied speech. Our perspective and needs without aggression or passivity. Key points. Range, explore and utilize the full spectrum of your vocal tones. Variety, introduce different pitches and volumes to avoid monotony. Expressiveness, allow your natural emotion to shine through for a more engaging delivery. Start softly to draw your audience in. It was a cold, airy night. Your voice is low and gentle, evoking a sense of calm yet hinting at the underlying tension. Then, as you introduce the twist, build up the intensity. Suddenly, a loud crash echoed through the darkness. Here, you raise your volume and pitch to convey shock and urgency. Now, slow down and lower your tone for dramatic effect. In that moment, time seemed to stand still as I watched, paralyzed by fear. You pause strategically, letting the suspense linger. Finally, bring your energy back up to a confident, resolute tone to conclude the story. I realized that the unexpected can be both terrifying and transformative, and that night changed everything for me. Your voice is now dynamic, using both volume and varying pitch to emphasize the lesson learned. Prepare. Set up interview simulations, video, audio, text, using Opnis.ai. Practice and rehearse. Conduct interviews and refine your responses with Askme AI. Gather feedback. Request and review AI-generated insights on your performance. Improve and repeat. Incorporate feedback to enhance your interviewing skills. Aim for a 15-minute daily interview on varying topics to continually develop. How to prepare? Opnis.ai addresses this challenge by letting you input specific topics and automatically generating interview questions for targeted practice. How to start? Join our WhatsApp group and YouTube channel to prepare, invite your friends, and help everyone grow together. Track my improvement? Opnis.ai will rate your answers and provide you recommendations. Hopefully, this year will have the best result for your progress. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions about which framework might work best for you, or if you'd like to practice, please let me know. Together, we'll make sure your first impression leaves a lasting impact.